Hello students, this is Shruti Srivastav, Faculty of Computer in Mount Litra Z School Jhansi. Today we are going to discuss chapter number 3 of computer, that is organizing information using lists and tables, and this is my lecture number 2 for this topic. So let's begin. How to insert a picture in MS Word and in LibreOffice. So for LibreOffice you need to click on insert option, then click on image, then go to from file option. From this you need to choose the image or the location of the image where that file is being saved in your computer. So you need to choose that file and click on OK, and your picture will be inserted in LibreOffice. And for MS Word you just simply need to click on insert option, then pictures option, and just browse your picture and click on OK. And if you will click on online pictures option, then you can browse the image from online also. Next is how to insert a picture in a document. The steps are given here. So place the cursor on the location where the picture has to be inserted, then click insert from the menu bar. After that, select the option picture, and then from file option select the directory that has the picture files. Then select the file that has the picture to be inserted. At last, click on OK. Now, how is a table helpful to us? Table helps us in organizing data in the form of rows and columns. We can find information easily with the help of a table. It also catches attention of the reader, and we can also compare information on different categories with the help of a table. So this is how a table is helpful to us. Now we're going to study about how to create a table in LibreOffice. So the steps are: click on the table icon, then select the number of rows and columns by using the arrows. Next is how to insert data in the table. For that, click the first row of the first column, enter the heading for the column, then click the tab key. With the help of tab key, you can move to the next column. Then you can also use the mouse to move the cursor to any cell in the table. Then click the enter key in the last column to move to the next row. After that, for MS Word users, to create a table, click insert and click table option. After that, select the number of rows and columns from the drop down image. As you can see in this grid, the user has selected 3 rows and 3 columns, and the user can select n number of rows and n number of columns, whatever the user wants to insert in the table. The next thing is, what is a cell? The intersection of a row and a column is called a cell. And what is merge cell? Merge cell means to combine. So if you need to combine 2 or 3 or more than 2-3 cells into a single cell, then you can select those cells and click on merge cell option. It will help you in combining the cell. And if you want to divide that cell into many parts, then you can click on split cell. Split means to divide. It will help you divide the cell. Now you can arrange your text into various alignments, like align top left, align center left, align bottom left, align top center, align center, align bottom center, align top right, align center right, and align bottom right. So these are the 9 alignments in which you can align the text. After that, what is layout tool? Layout tool option helps in adding and deleting rows and columns. It also helps in changing the dimension of the cells, and it also helps to change the text alignment. So these are the options given of layout tool, that is delete row, merge cell, split cell, and many other things. Now some key points are here, that is First one is list and table help us to organize and consolidate information. Consolidate means to combine. Number 2, use list for information that can be contained in a single column. Number 3, use tables for information that requires multiple columns. Number 4, tables can be represented in multiple ways depending upon how you want to categorize the information. Now, what is a soft copy? A soft copy is any work saved as a file on the computer. Soft copy can also be saved on storage devices like CD and pen drive. Whereas a hard copy is a printout of the file that is saved on a computer. So this is the difference between a soft copy and a hard copy. Now we will going to see some storage devices, that is CD and pen drive. This is an image of a compact disc and a pen drive. These are the removable storage devices as they can be removed from computer or laptop. So a pen drive and a CD are called removable storage devices. You can carry them anywhere and use the soft copy of the work stored on these devices on another computer. So this is all for this chapter. Hope you have understood this chapter. Thanks for watching.